What is up, guys? So we have another Razer video under the old carport. Okay guys, so have you heard of the company AuxBeam? So they make a bunch of LED lights, light bars, all kind of stuff LED wise, like pretty much anything you can think of, like rock lights, light whips, all that kind of stuff. But they sent me out this RGB 8-gang multifunction switch panel. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to eliminate all the toggle switches that you have in your machine if you want it to. So a super cool thing that I thought was really cool about this one is you can hook all your stuff up to it. So say you got a light bar and some light pods and front, rear, all that stuff. You can plug them all into this one little box, and then when you get ready for it to come on, you'll just tap the button and it'll come on, and you can change the colors of it, which is pretty cool. But the really cool thing is there's an app for your phone, so you can get on your phone app and it shows this little face kind of like this, and you can go in on your phone and customize each little box to what you want it to be, and you can tap it on your phone and it'll come on your side by side. So that's pretty awesome. So this one is just a on and off, and it also has a strobe, and then I think it also has like a momentarily on and off, so that's pretty neat also to have. So let's get to opening this thing and check it out. So I did open it to make sure everything was there. Everything was there in this kit. So it comes with this sticker pack, and it's got pretty much everything you could think of for what you would want to do on your box. So here's the actual box itself. So it feels really nice. It's like some aluminum material, I'm guessing, but it has some weight to it, so it feels really good. Let's check out the button. It's a very nice feel on the button. It's not hard to hit. You can hit it off to the sides and it still works, so that's pretty cool. So it comes on the back with this mount, and I think it said it came with another mount that you could mount it like flush. So, but we're probably going to end up using this mount because I think I've already done found where I'm going to mount this thing at. So diving on deeper into the box, looks like some installation hardware, and then we've got a fuse holder. And that's good, you always need a fuse. I'm gonna guess that's some kind of power wire. And then coming on over here, it's a 60 amp, and it looks like it's a switch where you can actually flip it up and turn it off if you wanted to. So that's pretty neat. I think that's how that works, I'm not sure. And we've got some, here's the flush mount that I was talking about. So if you want to mount it flush or mount it where it's sticking out some, so you can swivel it. And then you got another wire. We'll have to see what that all goes to. And you'll have this. So this is your switch assembly. So this is what all your wires are going to run into. We'll have to take that apart and we'll get a better look at it in a minute. But it's going to pop open, and it's pretty much where all your wires are going to connect to instead of going to your toggle switches. And then I'm pretty sure this wire will probably connect to this and then run to your actual box, so you can have control of all your stuff. And I'm sure this probably has the Bluetooth thing in it too, whatever you call those. And for the last part, well, I say there's the last part, it's one more part. Got your ground and positive wire, so that's real nice. And it even comes with a few zip ties, so you always need zip ties. Even if you don't use them, you can keep them. So that's a good thing to have. And I believe that is everything. Okay, wait a minute here. I'm seeing some more mounting stuff. So I'm thinking what this is probably going to be the mount for the box. So I was looking at it, and I'm pretty sure it is. I don't know. We should probably read the directions. But we'll get into that, and we'll get to looking at this thing, and I'll show y'all where I'm going to install it at on the Razor. I think it's going to look pretty sweet. And before I go to installing, probably going to clean this thing up a little bit. It's dirty in here. Don't laugh at my Velcro. That's what I use to hold my tablet on there until somebody comes out with a tablet mount. Y'all know of one, tag me, let me know, because I need it. I kind of thought about going with a different Bluetooth receiver. So my main one is in the Pro box, and it's just that little switch right there, and I want a screen. So I did the tablet for now, but I'm kind of thinking about doing a radio unless they come out with a tablet mount. Alright, so I'm going to mount it on this little ledge right here, I'm thinking. So it's pretty much perfect size. I'll have that flipped up, put it on there. I'll angle it where it'll be out of the way in case I still want to use my toggle switches for something, or if I use the tablet, I'll still be able to see the full tablet and still be able to touch everything and that not be in the way. And if I get like a little Bluetooth receiver radio, it'll be out of the way too. I'm definitely ready to get something like that because it's just like a huge space up here and it needs a cool screen. So if any of y'all audio guys are watching this video, let me in on a radio that has a pretty decent sized screen and has a reverse camera option, because I would like to have that, because it's kind of hard to see out of the back of the Pro. But anyways guys, I'm about to clean this thing up, so I'll let y'all watch me do that real quick, and then we'll get to ripping this thing apart and installing it. Hopefully it won't be a huge task. Although mounting that thing, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pull the whole dash out. I was thinking I might could just pull that piece out, but I don't know. It would probably make it easier to pull out the whole dash, which isn't a hard thing to do. It's pretty simple. Alright guys, so we are back. We got the AuxBeam switch panel installed. I did have to take out the dash. I got everything wired up real nicely. But it's about a week later now, so I wanted to test this thing out before I put it out on YouTube. I don't like putting stuff out that ain't really good quality, but man, this thing is awesome. It's like almost one of my favorite accessories now, and I can't wait to get more accessories to plug into it. So right now I just have my mirrors on it, and I want to do some rock lights and maybe some whip lights or something like that too to add to it. Let's go check this thing out. So here's where I decided to mount it at. So what I did was, around these toggle switches there's these little plastic things like that, but I chopped them off with a little tool on the bottom and then mounted the AuxBeam down there. So now I still have room for some toggle switches, and I still have a good place to have this. I thought this was the best place because it was kind of easy, because my hands are usually always right up in here, so it's pretty awesome. So let's turn this thing on. So I did put the sticker on, and it says windshield lights, so I figured that was the closest to mirror lights I could find, but that'll work just fine. Alright, so we got it hooked up on a key-on power, so it turns on. You can change the colors, so let's go on my phone. Also, well, I've already told you all this, but you can control this thing from your phone, so let's check that out real quick. Okay, so this is the app, and it's pretty easy to use. I have some hazard lights, so my mirrors have this amber color on it, and they'll blink, and you could use them for blinkers, but I really don't have any need for blinkers. So I put a hazard light on there, so I'll have to show y'all that too. But let's show how it changes the colors. So you got it down here. You got preset colors, and you can make any different color you want. Let's play around and see. So I'll just kind of move it around and let y'all get some different ideas of, you know, all the colors you can do. I mean, pretty much any color you want, you can do it, from white to, you know, all the other colors. So, pretty awesome. We'll swap it back to blue on the phone. And so if you want to control your actual toggle switch on your phone, you can. So it's on right now, so I can hear mirrors. I think I hit it, yeah. So I hit it, mirrors are on, and we also have hazard lights, so that's pretty neat. Super cool thing. So you can come over here, you know, you can change all your colors. You can change the icons and different names. You can also even add like a photo for the app, but I'm gonna keep it with the little logos so I can sort of look the same as my actual real switch. And then you can come over here and go to mode, so you can click on any of your toggle switch little buttons. You can come down here and set them to what you want to do when you turn it on. So you can have it pulsed, you can have it momentarily, you can have toggle. So if you put it on pulsed, and you can control it with those two little lightning bolts down there, how fast it pulses. So normal things, sometimes when you buy something and it's not really meant to, you know, flash, it might not work with this app, but most things will. So, and of course you can do groups, so if a few of you and your buddies have it, y'all can all have the same color theme going on with your rock lights and whip lights and stuff, and you can control it from there. So, and from there, so a lot of options, pretty cool. So guys, I really thought that was a cool item to show y'all. I hope y'all liked it. Let me know if you would like to have one of these, because these things are pretty cool, and it's just all kind of little options you can do with it, and it's super easy to hook up like new accessories to it. Like say you wanted to add some rock lights, well, you just plug it straight into that box and you're ready to go. Like, so it's pretty simple. But guys, as always, y'all please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and tell me what you think about the RGB little switch panel from AuxBeam. And I can't get over it. It's so cool. Definitely gonna have to add some more things to it. But guys, we will see y'all on the next video. Y'all remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see y'all later.